guys, it's Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2014 Kia Rondo, stock number 6783. This ran from the 6/2013 to the 12/2018. It has a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NC 4-cylinder 2-litre petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left hand taillight. Rear tailgate. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front kitty slap sunglass holder. Left sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.